Milwaukee introduces the M12 FUEL digital torque wrench with one key, the industry's first digital torque wrench with a motor. Replacing the repetitive motion of hand tools or two-tool installation process.
With the Milwaukee digital torque wrench, you're looking at least half the time. You just put it on there, push the button, tension it by hand, and you're set.
I think it's going to cut the time in half, torquing bolts in gear.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use. You set your values underneath your torque settings. With the Milwaukee digital torque wrench, I'm 100% confident that we're torquing it to what it needs to be per spec.
You get to run your torque up a little closer instead of having to hand crank everything, and then you get to digitally watch the final torque value. You get an accurate measurement every time you torque.
Being able to read what your poundage is at, that's huge for when you don't want to over tighten anything.
It's just a lot more confidence, being able to see that number, knowing exactly where you're at.
How it's designed and how it's set up makes it very easy to use with the audible and the visual indicators on it.
The one key feature on the new digital torque wrench is nice because you can record the values to prove that you've done that torque. You can label which breaker you've done, which piece of equipment you've done. You're able to store and keep all of that data.
When it beeps and turns green, all you do is hit that record button and your data is saved.
Using the run-up value, getting you closer to your torque value faster.
The Milwaukee digital torque wrench is nice and versatile.
It's lightweight, it still has the length that you're looking for to get your torque on it.
We can use it anywhere.